What's up, everybody? Fatboy Dan here. I'm out here at Green Valley Lake. We're about to do some bass fishing. That's right, my roots are bass fishing. I got my oldest son Hunter with us. What are we gonna do today?
Bass fish.
We're gonna bass fish. What are we gonna do it with?
Mondo kit.
Wow, the Mondo kit. That's right, this is the Mondo kit. Big guns. Woo! A lot of y'all already use the Mondo kit. You probably already love it. I'll tell you what, man. I work at Academy Sports. Every day I see some Googan stuff. I respect the Googans for what they do and how they have made it. They are actually living the YouTube dream. Think about that for a minute. Everybody on YouTube who's making videos, they do this maybe for the passion, maybe for memories, but as well they do it because they want to make that career and make that YouTube living, and that's exactly what they have done. The Googan Squad, man, you watch them as well, right? Big shout out to them, you know. Big shout out. John B, I know John B from way back in the day, the early days of YouTube.
I love it.
Yep. Yeah. Lunkers TV, he's even shared some of my stuff, so that's big props to him as well. Man, Peric, all of them guys, Lake Fork, they even got one reel now, Lojo.
They have
So,
now?
and Flair, yeah, Flair's that boy, that country boy like me.
I
So,
love one.
anyways, man, we're gonna do this, Hunter. Let's open this box. Let's see what this is all about right now. I hear a lot of good about this. Let's see exactly what we got going on. Go ahead and open this up. Right there it is, the Mondo kit. What's inside? Let's tell you a little bit about what's inside. Comes with the clutch. The clutch looks like a rattle trap, kind of. So the clutch could be like, you know, you throw it out, pop that clutch, start, got some rattles up in it. The Saucy Swimmer, the Grass Hero, and the Hummer, because y'all already know we got the Hummer. And then the Sun Mask. So let's do that. Go ahead and open that up, see what we got. Let me get a rock, something. Let me get this rock right here. So we can that probably ain't gonna work either. All right, see if you can peel it open somehow. Peel that baby open. Should have had a pocket knife, but we probably should have had. Don't litter though, so we'll stick it on the back of the box. Tell you what, let's just open that up around there. Want to? I ain't gonna lie, they got a good seal on it. Right off the bat, they got a good seal. So we're gonna say that seal. Boom, there you go. Open it up. See what we got in there. See what we got. See what we got. Pull it out. Never opened one of these. You've never opened one. We're gonna see what it's about. Here you go. It's like the box is really sealed inside the box. So bow, there it is. The Googan, check it out. Let's get a little selfie. Bow. All right, now what we're gonna do? So basically, this comes into a thing they have teamed up with the catch call in this box. So right there, open it up like that. Open it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
Can't we not?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Oh, there you go. Got to fold it out. Oh, right off the bat, bow, a Googan sticker. That is a nice Googan, I should say, a decal, so we can put on the back of the window to represent who we are fishing with and who are we running with. Look at that. What is that?
Grass hair.
Oh, we got some good colors. So you'll notice about the Mondo kit, you'll see it in the green now. Does it have different stuff in it from the last box? Ooh. So what you got? So right here it is, the Grass Hero swimming jig. 3/8 ounce, perfect size. Be punching some of the grass out here. Woo! This is, I like to call this like the crawdad color. It looks like, that's what I'm gonna call it, right? Because it does look like it. But actually, I believe this is really called the bluegill. Very, very nice looking jig. Let me get the action on this. Let me see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, even the package. Man, that's a good looking jig.
Yeah, no,
That's good. Let me see the weed guard. Weed guard pretty good. Weed guard. That's a stiff feel, that weed guard. I like what I like about the jig. Look at them big old eyes on there.
I know, they're cool.
See the big eyes, and then they got like a mad look to them.
See the eyes.
So we'll put that in there. Ooh, there it is. Bow! The Hummer. You know what's really good about this right now?
What?
I believe each box probably has a different color. But think about this. Come back here. Let's show them. What is it?
They do. They have.
But
things, yeah.
out here at Green Valley Lake, number one color to use is a white. I don't know what it is. Let me see what we got. Let me get this bad boy out. Ooh, I can hear that from here. Let's see what the Hummer's all about real quick. Let's see the Hummer. Ooh, the silicone. Well, be careful when you're pulling it out because it does have two little notches on your blade. Oh man, mad respect. Look at that.
I like that.
That is sweet. Okay, so you got a kind of a big head. The silicone skirt, yeah, it does got some pink into it. See the pink?
Yeah.
Comes with it. What I do like about that right there, actually has, you know what that's for? When we slide a bait on there, we slide a bait. It's going to keep that bait in position. It's got another bigger one down there. The eyes are incredible. A good, looks like about a 2/0 hook, flat J-looking hook. The blade bent back a little bit. Ooh, I like that look. You know what's good about that? You don't want to lose that. You want to keep that on there and tie it around. The reason why, so when you tie your line onto it, it doesn't allow your knot to slide up, get caught in this. So it's actually going to keep your line in place. Very good. And then it won't let your line slide down where you start to get it in different places. You don't need it and you get hung up. The blade, 2-blade, even has their logo stamped into it, a very thin. Feels like a very thin blade, which could be good. Looks like it's set pretty good, but I do like also it has hose. Gonna make it chop and flop. You can actually hear it. Let's see what else we got in there. The clutch. This is the clutch. Check out the clutch. Ooh, right off the bat, the clutch is looking good. Another phenomenal color, man. I feel like I was blessed with this box because this is, if I was gonna go to the store and buy these, this is what it is. Let's see. We're gonna open this one up as well. Let's see what we got on this. Ooh, yeah, keep our trash together. Let's see what we got right here. There's that. Oh, look at that. Good looking big eyes on it. Good little paint job on it. Got some.
Did the logo and the eyes.
Yeah, that logo. That's what's cool. It's
That's
like the
cool,
eye.
yeah.
You know, the white of the eye.
Yeah.
That's kind of how they got the logo right there. They got the gill plates on the side of it. The shape of it. The gloss paint looks like it was done at a professional body shop, like a lowrider shop. Got some good looking hooks onto it. The rattles. Very good. It's got a. It sounds like it's got 2 chambers or something. Because I'm hearing 2 different. Yeah, 2 different kind of balls. I mean, it could be a 1 chamber. I'm not sure. Something I have to look deeper into, but it's definitely good color. Got the yellow going down the side. Looks like a Tennessee Shadow, I like to call it. Hold on, let's see what we got on that now. What you got?
Saucy.
Ooh, I'm saucing on you. This is the 3.3. This is their new. Ooh, look at that. The 3.3. Hey, we got a lot of the. You know, we're gonna bring you some of them other ones. Yeah, the paint on the back of it, and they've got the flatness. Yeah. And see how just the designs of it. A saucy swimmer. Let's see. Whew, smell that.
Yeah, I know.
God, that smells good. Like a fish wants to bite it. I want to bite it right now. So there it is, a 3.3 swimmer. Got that candy looking green with that bluish aqua looking flake. Looking good. A paddle tail, guys. Y'all know you catch some of them big bass on swim baits. This is good. This is good. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 saucy swimmers. Awesome. Let's see if it goes back in the package. It smells wonderful. Ooh, and what I like about the packages, you can put them right back in. You seal them. They go together. Ooh, they go together real good and smooth and nice. Let's see what you got. Oh, look at that. Hold that baby up for the camera. Googan Squad. Right now, you know masks are required at many stores right now. They just want you to cover your face. It doesn't matter what you cover with. Maybe you don't want to cover your mouth with a medical grade mask because you really can't breathe out of it. Maybe you don't want to go out and spend some money. With the price of this box, what I think it retails for around 25 bucks, $24.99. This, I mean, you're finding gators like this right now in stores that are
I like the paint job.
different. Yeah.
See the letters on it?
Yeah, it's got the Googan Squad, kind of like a gray, and then you got the green, like there's a grayish, and then you got the green logo bleeding, like the green slime, like if I was out catfishing. Ooh, match the shirt. Hey, put this on. Let's see what you got. Let's see what we got. Let me see. Hold that real quick. Let's see what we got. Take them. Let's see how good we got this. So you can wear like a do-rag if you want to be out in the hood, you know. You can be out like, yeah, I'm out here fishing in the Central Park, you heard me? If you ain't never heard of me, I'm catching big bass, you know what I'm saying? Otherwise than that, you can walk in. Oh, it's got a good stretch to it. You can walk in and be like, give me all your money. Give me your money, fool, give me your money. You can be like that, right? But then you don't want to wear like that. You want to get it down. Get it down. Ooh. Oh, wow, this stretch is nice. Wow, look at that. Then you can be like this. Like I'm representing the Googan. What's up? Googan Squad. We got the Googan Squad. Googan Squad. You heard me? That's the Googan Squad player. Right there. It's pretty good. I like this. Anyways, guys, we're going to wrap it up. You can wear like a band-aid like that. Boom. Represent it. Oh, I got a bald head. A bald head. And I'm going to catch your fish. Otherwise not, man. Hunter, you ready to go out and do this, man? We're going to try to do a slam if we can as well. We're going to pick our baits. We're going to go out there. I'd say this box is well worth the 25 bucks. I mean, think about each individual price. This feels like a box. If, oh my God, I forgot my tackle box at home, I can go to my store. Say like Academy Sports and Outdoors, it's available. Karl's, it's available. Man, I'll tell you what, man. Hunter, we're going to pick our lures. We're going to go out here, see what we're going to go. Which one you going with?
The clutch.
He's going to go with the clutch. I'm going to go with the buzz. I'm going to go with the Hummer. We're going to try our luck out and see if we can get something, man. Y'all join us on this. If not, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this review. Fatboy Dan's Great Outdoors. And what are we going to do?
Catching bass.
And we're going to live to fish and fish to live. And we'll see you guys somewhere in the woods or on the water. Let's get the kayaking.